This is my new to me CRF 250R. So I'm gonna just do like a before and after. I'm about to wash it. I'm gonna take everything off, wash it down, give it a nice rinse, put the new sprocket and chain on. The plastic should be here on Friday. So this is the bike stripped apart. This is the after. Got all new plastics. Just clean up the frame, put a new exhaust on. Alrighty guys, so you guys can see I do not have a front bumper or just a bash bar. Very drift spec look, but I want this car to look more like just a clean little street build, I guess. So I bought a bumper for 50 bucks. And it is what I like to call beat. So you see that corner broke off, chip right down the center, dent from probably hitting the license plate. And then this side is missing the mounting tabs, so I hopefully bought the correct tools. I got a plastic welder, freak Dremel, welding rod, some epoxy, some sandpaper to hopefully get this to look decent on this. And then I'm gonna paint it. I'll also film that. It's gonna be something similar to how I painted the G35 front bumper. The previous, whoever had this before, had already had this issue and tried to fix it themselves with some kind of putty. I don't even know what this is, but it comes off real easy. And so I've just been cracking it off. It was all up there. It was in the center one too. So I'm cracking it off and hopefully doing it a little bit more of a legit way. Granted, I've never done this before, so we'll see how it comes out.
How much was this bumper?
50 bucks.
More than you can afford, pal.
Nissan.
50, Nissan. 50 bucks and approximately another 60 bucks in material, so we're in 110 right now.
Can't beat that.
I actually can.
Yeah, you probably can. But there's just no bumpers, though. Shit's stupid. You can't find them, brother. Alrighty, bumper cut mock-up. So we decided to go with. I haven't really seen this cut, so it might not work, but I think it'll look cool. Big engineer guy right here with the Milwaukee. Nice. Big nose guy.
Yeah.
I like it. It looks tough. Looks like it's smiling at you.
Yeah, sure it does.
That was fantastic.
I think I can start designing cars at this point. I like it. That's how you like them? It's about
Cardboard. Nice and flat.
my girl's asking, that's about 9 inches.
Nice flat and brown.
Oh fuck. Looking right, Michael.
Gapless.
Seamless. Alrighty everyone, we're gonna try to see if we can fix this mess. I don't know how well this is gonna go. I'm gonna try to bleed off to the sides to kind of tie it all together so it doesn't look like I just painted this corner. But I don't paint on the regular, so it's gonna be however it is. I'm hoping it's better than what it looks like now. So we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do the bumper cut that's up there. I'm gonna finish cutting it, sand it real quick, and then give it a nice coat. And today we're using this perfect match. Seems to be the right color. So I went off the code on the paint coat that's on side of the door seal, or the jam. So we should be accurate. We're gonna sand this down, paint it, put it clear, see how it comes out. Custom. 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 Alright, y'all, final result. I think it came out pretty good. I think it gives a little bit more structure to the front of the car. Yes, I put my plate on because I got pulled over the other day for that dumb shit, so. And then the seats. I did this clip last night, but couldn't really see, so. Here are the seats. Looking good. I just love how you can see that. Well, maybe not right now, but you can kind of see the carbo in there. I think it looks sick. But yeah, that's where the car's at right now.